Welcome back, Soulful Academic Scholars. Stocks or cryptocurrency a better investment in 2024? Tap more into my Discord, you're gonna see more. Stocks just been around longer compared to cryptocurrency, make a good return because how low they cost. So it's easier to move and multiply your currency using cryptocurrency. How undervalued some of them are and low, you can buy a whole bunch of them. Depending on what strategy you use, like options, you can trade stocks to grow your capital or more. I use options to get on these cryptocurrencies and diversify them to different places. A 5-year time frame, you want to see like Cosmos, like 850 right now. Right then and there means that when you stake something, basically getting a dividend off what you put in. Ethereum is the one that got opportunity for you, 3,350, and then you get total of investment be $10,000 worth. 3,300 is still good price to get in, and I'll hold on for the next 5 years. Just converting your Ethereum and Solana and start throwing them into Cardano. So you got opportunity at least times 3 your capital now. Put it in ICP because no telling how much ICP will move. Sandbox is another altcoin that's really outperforming. I seen Sandbox at 20 cents. It went up to 84 cents earlier today. Sandbox is having a great month. It was at $8 in 2020. A platform where gaming and gamers can come together on a virtual world. The earlier you start investing in stocks and crypto, the sooner the better. In the next 5 years, these currencies are going to be all valuable. Stocks, dividends, and crypto dividends are both ways to grow your wealth over time for just holding an investment. Whenever you stake your cryptocurrencies, they give you a percentage of APY that you get different amount of times paid out just by holding and buying it, and additional while you investing in and profiting from the market going up. So you're getting 2 streams of income. % staking my reward off my funds and my capital. You want to stake your crypto inside something that's going to be here for a long time and that is used in high demand like Ethereum. I'm going to show you guys how I built my platform on my wallet. So first I started out buying Ethereum and Solana. 5,000 starting with Solana. When it went to $112, I was like, okay, Solana is definitely going back to its all-time high. 1,000 at a time, I put 1,000 in Sandbox, and it's already up half of that. And this way you have more percentage. You're not just only in 2 cryptos at a time, you have multiple. Chronos was able to use the transactions and pay and send cryptocurrencies using the crypto app. I see Chronos going back $3. It's gonna wrap it up for this video. So make sure y'all hit that like button, share if you like this video. Make sure you tap into the Discord. See y'all in the next one.